Hello viewers, yes, alright. I hope today's video I have to give you the good information how to solve if your USB adapter is not working. My USB adapter is not working, so it's disconnect. It show. So how to solve this problem? So in this case, I have to change my USB adapter. I want to use this one. Okay. First of all, I have to connect this USB drive into my PC. So now I connect my USB drive. I have to install the new wireless adapter. In this case, in a Type C USB, there is a one part into my mobile, that another one goes to my computer. So in this way, I have to connect internet through my mobile. So how to do it? I show you the way, exact way. Come to my mobile and I go to the setting option at this moment. In the setting option, I have to connect and sharing. Click on here. After that, you click on USB telnetting. You turn on this one. Okay. When you turn on this one, you see your mobile connection is mobile through in your computer connect internet connection is working this moment. So I show you the way how to do it. Okay. Now I connect my mobile internet through USB telnetting. So I use my internet through mobile internet connection. Okay. Okay, now see my connection is network connection is working at this moment. So I want to browse my Google browser. In here my internet connection working, and type on Google driver pack. So I need a USB adapter driver. So I type on Google driver pack, then search on. I search on. After this search, you have to click this one, driver pack download free driver upload software. So I click on here, the second one. Okay. After that, after click on, so this said install all requirement driver. So it's automatic install all drivers. I do not do this like way. So after click on here, after I click this one, I have to click download option. So start driver pack and then click download. Okay, I have to download this one. Now it's download at this moment, and save it into my PC. So download complete. Now I run this driver pack, click on run. It takes time in computer speed. Now you click start installation for free. You click on start installation for free, and it takes time. Its loading time is maybe 2 minutes, 4 minutes, sometimes 5 minutes it takes. Okay, so it's continue now. Okay, there's a two option over there. Okay, start installation, no, choose something else. I click on no, choose something else. Click on over there. Then it analyzes in your driver. It takes time, and after that automatically configure your computer, install all automatically. So you have to download all driver. I do not want this one. I click on expert mode. In expert mode, I want this one, network card Realtek. So I check it over there. So I need this one. This is the network adapter, wireless network adapter driver. So I check in, then install all. Click on. So after a few seconds, I hope it's installed. Okay, I click on here. It takes time. Okay, so now you see the Realtek RTL 8188 FT wireless LAN driver network adapters installed successfully. So in this way, you install your driver using Google. Okay, I hope it will helpful for you. Okay, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.